Parents and students of honors biology and exemplar scholars honors biology. Sorry, this is a day late. I just got back in from St. Louis kind of late last evening on Sunday, so this is coming out a day late, but better late than never, I presume. So, really quickly this week, where's it at? And of course, I can't find it when I need to see it. Okay, here we go. This week we had a quiz today over cellular respiration, notes over photosynthesis. Their homework tonight is an ATP reading and worksheet. Hopefully they already have that done. We'll have a lab tomorrow, photosynthesis lab. We'll have lab questions over it, so they need to make sure they go through the lab, answer the questions, understand the main things of the lab. There'll be some like Moodle lab questions over it tomorrow. We're going to have a detailed photosynthesis explanation. There may be a photosynthesis quiz there's a good chance on Thursday. Plan for it. It'll be a Moodle quiz. If there is one, I may do a lab instead. I have not decided yet, but I'm plan for a quiz on Thursday. Plan for it. I may be able to squeeze both of them in. So the finals coming up. Students are starting to get a little nervous, and let me tell you good ways to study. First and foremost, for you organized students, all your hard work and organization is going to pay dividends. So if you click on, now we're on my website, you click on the PowerPoint here. Here are all the bell ringers for the first semester, from the beginning of the year to the very end of the year. Looks like somebody else is looking at it right now currently. But anyway, so what you can do is you have all of these organized, because you guys are all very organized, right? You can start off with Wednesday, the first day of school. That one's irrelevant. Then that would kind of talk about, so we talked about that. So then now we can say, you can go through all these and see if you know the answers to all these. Answer them off the top of your head. Okay? See, all of these things. So you can go through and read all of these. Okay, and you can it's a great way to review, because you should have all the correct answers, because every day, almost every day I've given you guys the correct answers to this. Okay, so you can go through and rework all of those, and there are, how many are there? There are 74 of those. Okay, and so that's a good way to study. Another good way to study is if you go to Moodle and any practice, okay, and see if it's open. If it's still open, retake it. This should be still open. Hopefully these practices, you can redo those. And my understanding is it won't hurt your grade. Even if you have 100 on it already in RenWeb, it takes the highest grade. So you already have the highest grades. You can go back and retake it again and then just practice it until you get it. Okay? So that's another thing you can do. Go back and look and rework all the practices. Remember, if it says a quiz, you can't retake, because that's a one-time thing. Okay? But you can redo this one. You can redo this one. You can redo this one. These are, for you guys that struggle with the chemistry or biology, that'd be a great thing to do as well. Okay? Other things, the study guide is up on Moodle. The study guide, see where it's at. Right here, first semester study guide. It is complete. It's up and right here. Okay? So now I should probably take under construction out of here, because it is finished now. It's been done for a while. I just forgot to erase that part of it. So yeah, it's up and ready to go. This is try to be as detailed as I could with this. Okay, so I hope that helps. Like I said, that's kind of break down the week, and it's kind of how to study for the final as well. Sorry this is so long-winded. Take care, guys. Have a good week.